opportunity to generate a huge income without the need for any out-of-pocket expense. We as a community lend you the startup cost, which you only ever repay $30 in brackets from your commissions. If you make nothing, you own nothing. So it's 100% risk-free. We can do this because we are a caring, not-for-profit community here to help everyone succeed. However, this is not a passive opportunity, and we cannot guarantee your success. It requires you to help others by giving them the same opportunity that you now have. As soon as you register, you can refer others, and each referral that completes their KYC ID verification earns you a $1 commission. And we credit each member's best plan ever wallet with $5 just as soon as they complete the KYC ID verification. Let me caution you that it serves no purpose to refer people who are not interested in helping others to take advantage of the plan. It may earn you a few dollars, but will not leverage your income because they will not follow you into the plans where you will see the big commissions. Okay, let's look at the simple steps and how you'll go from zero to hero in quick time. You register with We Share Abundance and verify your ID and email. That's step 1. 2, you receive $5 in your best plan ever wallet to kickstart your journey. 3, you refer a few other people who want to make unlimited income risk-free. If you refer 5 people within a week of registration, we will give you an additional $5 bonus. So you'll have a total of $15 in your wallet. If it takes you longer than a week, then you'll need to refer 8 people to start the automated leverage process and 10 people to reach the $15 level. Once you've accumulated, this is step 4, once you've accumulated $12.50, we use that to pay you into the Success Blueprint, and the next $2 will be used to pay you into the Easy Team Builder. 5, once you are active in the Success Blueprint and Easy Team Builder, any additional commissions earned may be withdrawn, subject to the $30 loan payment having been made. Loan repayment having been made, I apologize. 6, as your referrals accumulate their best plan ever wallet funds, they will follow you into the Success Blueprint and the Easy Team Builder. Now this is likely to be 5, 8, 10 or more, and will quickly fill the Success Blueprint 3x3 matrix. Obviously, if you've got 5 people coming in, you're getting spillover all the time. Everybody's getting spillover. It'll work a lot faster. If you have the 8 people, of course, it's going to work faster still. But there we go. 7, the magic starts to happen at this point because you, having completed your Success Blueprint matrix, will be paid into 4 additional income streams. As your referrals follow you into these streams, you'll start earning commissions. A, as a sub point, with 5 referrals following you, your initial income is at least $250 a month. This can happen in 2 weeks if everybody gets 5 in a week to claim their extra $5 bonus. I'm just changing a little bit there. Okay. With 8 referrals following you, your initial income is at least $400 a month. And with 10 referrals following you, your initial income is at least $500 a month. Now remember that from the above commissions, you'll repay your $30 loan. Okay, so we're getting people in, we're getting them making money, we're getting them debt-free. 8, the next level follows you into the plans. So with 25, that's 5 people getting 5 referrals following you, your income is at least $1,200 a month. And this can happen in 3 weeks if everybody gets 5 in a week and claims their extra $5 bonus. With 64 following you, that's 8 getting 8, your income is at least $3,000 a month. And with 100 following you, that's 10 getting 10, your income is at least $5,000 a month. And this can all happen very, very quickly, folks. Now, it's important to note that this is recurring income and it becomes an unstoppable force. It does rely on all members playing their part, and that is why, even though this is very simple, we can't guarantee anyone's success. There will be some who do nothing and others that do a lot. But all it really requires are 3 people that duplicate, and within a month or 2 at most, you will have a monthly increasing recurring income in excess of $2,000.